Hello everyone, welcome back to Competitive Exam Mania. This is the part 2 of percentage video, and in this video we are going to learn some more shortcut tricks about percentage related questions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So without further delay, let's start the video. The first question of this video is 60 kg is what percent of 240 kg? In this type of question, first we have to see the unit. If the unit is same, we don't have to change. And if the unit is different, like if it is in gram and if it is in kg, we have to convert it into kg or either both into grams. So here we've got the unit same, so no need to change. Here we will apply the formula expressing one quantity as percent with respect to the other, and the quantity to be expressed in percent divided by second quantity into 100%. Here the quantity to be expressed in percent is 60 kg and the second quantity is 240 kg into 100%. So we'll write 60 divided by second, that is 240 into 100%. Now by cancelling out 0, we'll cancel 0 here and we'll divide it by 6. 6 ones are 6 and 6 fours are 24, and here we'll get to 100 and divided by 4, that is 4 25s are 100, so it is 25%. We can see that 60 kg is 25% of 240 kg. Next question is 10 gram is what percent of 1 kg? Here you can see that the units are different. One is 10 gram and another is kg. So here we have to convert kg into gram. Here we've got 10 gram and 1 kg means 1000 gram. Now units are same. We can apply the formula now. Here the unit to be expressed is 10 divided by 1000 into 100%. By cancelling out zeros, we'll get 1%. That is, we can say that 10 gram is 1% of 1000 gram. Next, what percent is 150 milliliter of 3.5 milliliter? This question was asked in WBCS 2015. Here we've got the unit in milliliters and liters. So we have to convert liters into milliliter. Now, as we know that 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter, so here we have to find 3.5 liter equals to how many milliliters. We'll multiply by 1000. So here we'll get 35000, and putting one decimal in front of 0, we'll get 3500 milliliter. Now the units are same. Now we can apply the formula and solve the question. So the unit to be expressed is 150 milliliter divided by 3.5 liters, which has been converted into 3500 milliliters. So here we've got the same unit. Now we'll multiply it by 100%. So here by cancelling out, we'll get, first we'll cancel out the zeros, and dividing by 5 we'll get 5 3s are 15 and 5 7s are 35, and in the numerator we've got 3 into 10, that is 30, and the denominator is 7. Now dividing by 7 we get 7 4s are 28.28, so 4.28. Next, A saves 20% of his monthly salary. If his monthly expenditure is rupees 6000, then his monthly savings is, here in this question we have to find the monthly savings, and in order to find his monthly savings, we need to first find his monthly salary. Here his savings is given in 20%, so we'll take his monthly salary also in percent. So we'll assume his salary as X, and it will be 100%, and out of 100% he saves 20%. That is, his savings is 20% and the remaining money, that is 80%, will be his expenditure. That means after saving 20% he expends 80% of his money. And here in this question 80% of his money is expenditure, that is given rupees 6,000. So from this clue we'll find out the answer. Therefore, the expenditure is 80%, which is given as rupees 6,000 in the question. And if 80% is 6,000, we have to find the 100%, that is his actual salary, which we have taken as X. So 100% will be 6,000 divided by 80 into 100. So by dividing and cancelling out the zeros, we'll get 8 sevens are 56, 4 remaining, and 8 fives are 40 and 1 0. And here we get the answer rupees 7500. So his salary is 7,500. So now just we have find his salary. Now it is easy to find his savings because in question we have to find his monthly saving. So it is given as 20%. So 20% of 7500 will be, we'll find out 20% means 20 divided by 100, of means multiply, and 7500 will be cancelled out, and by multiplying by 2 we'll get 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15 and 1 0 is there. So here we got the answer. The monthly savings is rupees 1500. Next question was asked in CDS 2012. A man loses 20% of his money. Here it is said that a man had money out of which he lost 20%, and after losing 20% he had the remainder, and out of that remainder he spent it 25%. First he lost 20% of his money, and out of the remainder again he spent it 25%, and now he has only rupees 480 left. So what is the amount of money he originally had? In this question we have to find out the original money he had. So here we'll assume that the original money he had was rupees X. So let the original money he had equals to rupees X. And now in the question it is said that out of his original money he lost 20%. So we'll find out what is 20% of X. So he lost 20% of original money, that is X. 20% means 20 divided by 100. Of means multiply into X. So by cancelling out we'll get X into 1, that is X upon 5. So he lost X by 5 rupees out of X rupees. Therefore the remaining money, that is the remainder he has in his hand, is the original money was X and he lost X by 5. That means we have to subtract X minus X by 5. By LCM we'll get 5 in the denominator, and in the numerator we'll get 5x minus x, that is 4x upon 5. So this is the remainder he has after losing 20%, and out of this remainder in question it is said that he spent 25% of the remainder. Again, out of that remainder he spent 25%. Now again we have to find out the 25% of 4x by 5. So he spends 25% of 4x by 5. Now 25% means 25 divided by 100, of means multiply 4x by 5. Now by dividing we'll get 25 4s are 100, 4 and 4 will be cancelled out, and now we'll get x by 5. That means he spends x by 5 rupees out of the remainder 4x by 5. Now we have to find again the last remainder, that is the amount left in his hand will be 4x divided by 5 minus x by 5, and by LCM we'll have 5 in the denominator and in the numerator we'll have 4x minus x, that is 3x upon 5. So this is the exact amount left in his hand, and again in question the amount left is also given, so the amount left is rupees 480. So these two are equal. So by calculating this, we'll find out the original value or the original amount he had. So 3x upon 5 equals to 480. Now we can cancel out 480 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, and 0. Here we'll cross multiply. X into 1 is x, equals to 5 into 160. That is x equals to rupees 800. So the original amount was rupees 800. So here in this question, by using this amount rupees 480, we found the original money he had. Next is two numbers are respectively 20% and 50% more than a third number. What is the percentage of second with respect to first? This question was asked in SSC 2011. So actually there are three numbers, and out of which two numbers are 20% and 50% more than the third number. So we have to assume the third number. So we'll write it here. Let the third number be 100. And if the third number is 100, here in question it is said that first and second are respectively 20 and 50%. Therefore, the first number will be 20% more. That means 20% of 100 is 20. So 100 plus 20 will be 120. And second number is 50% more. That is 50% of 100 is 50. And 100 plus 50 is 150. Now we have to find the percentage of second with respect to the first. So the required number will be the second number divided by first into 100%. Here the second number is 150 and the first number is 120 into 100. By cancelling out zeros and by dividing by 4, we'll have 4 3s are 12, 4 25s are 100, and 3 5s are 15. And here in the numerator we have only 5 into 25, that is 125. So the required percent is 125%. Next, in a school, 10% of boys are equal to the 1/4 of the girls. What is the ratio of boys and girls in that school? This question was asked in RRB 2012. In the first sentence, it is given that 10% of boys are equal to 1/4 of the girls. So we have to make one equation using this sentence, and then we'll find the ratio. So we'll write here, let the number of boys equals to B and the number of girls will be equal to G. And by using the first sentence, we'll find out one equation, that is 10% of boys are equals to means equal to 1/4 means 1/4 of girls, that is G. Now 10% means 10 by 100 of means into B equals to 1/4 into G. 0 0 will cancel out 0 0. Now we'll get B by 10 equals to G into 1, G by 4. Since we have to find the ratio of boys and girls, so we are taking B and G in the left hand side and the numbers in the right hand side. So we'll get B by G equals to 10 will go up, 10 by 4, and by cancelling out we'll get 5 by 2. That means the ratio of boys and girls is B/Z equals to 5:2. That's our answer. Next question. 48% of the first number is 60% of the second number. What is the ratio of the first number to the second number? This question was asked in Bank Clerk 2008. There are two numbers and 48% of the first number is 60% of the second number. So we have to find the ratio of the first and the second number. Here we'll assume that let the first number be, we'll assume first number as x and the second number as y. Now, according to the question, 48% of the first number is equals to 60% of the second. We'll make an equation that is 48% of first means x equals to 60% of second, that is y. Now, 48% means 48 by 100. Of means multiply into x equals to 60 by 100 into y. Now we'll cancel out 100 since there is equals to in between, and we can cancel out 48 and 60 in the numerator too. So by cancelling out by 12, we'll get 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60. Here we got 4x equals to 5y. Since we have to find the ratio, we'll take x and y in the left hand side and numbers in the right hand side. So we'll get x by y equals to 5 by 4. Therefore, we got the ratio x is to y equals to 5:4. That is the ratio between the first and the second number is 5:4. So that was all in this video. This was the last question, and the next question we'll solve in our next video. That will be the part 3 of this percentage video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the part 3. Bye bye. Take care.